This is going to be the last of 9 scarves that I was commissioned to make. And this is what I have so far, but I'm not sure about this pattern. I'm going to unravel it, frog it, and start with something different. I really like how the previous scarf turned out, and by the way, this is the same yarn, shawl in a ball, and this is the same color as the previous scarf. I really like how these big shells drape. So for this last scarf, I want to make something similar, but not exactly the same. And here is the second attempt of the last scarf. This is what I'm gonna do. Shells similar to these, though not exactly the same. First of all, there is no separation here in between the rows of shells, the way I had it here. And also in this pattern, each shell is a 3 trebles, 2 chains, 1 treble, 2 chains, 3 trebles. And here is the finished scarf number 9. As you can see, it is very similar to the scarf number 8. Well, first of all, it's the same yarn and the same color, but also both of these scarves are made with large shells, though the shells themselves are different. I decided to go with this pattern for this scarf because I really liked the way this scarf drapes. So I wanted to create something similar, but not the same. I have a tutorial for this pattern on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box below, so that if you would like to make this scarf, you can just follow that tutorial. I'm going to add fringe to both of these scarves, and then I'm gonna pack them all and ship them to the wonderful lady who commissioned them. And here they all are, 9 scarves finished. They look so pretty, folded next to each other like that, and it gives me such joy looking at them, looking at my work. I started the first scarf, this one right here, on the 4th of November, and today is November 21st. The last scarf is finished. So it took me 18 days to crochet 9 scarves, and on average that's making 1 scarf in 2 days. I feel so proud of my work. I can't believe that just in 18 days I went from this to this. The last scarf is finished, and this is going to be the last video of this series. Thank you so much to all of you for joining me on this big project, for following my progress. Thank you so much for all the kindness, support, and encouragement you have given me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. This is also going to be my last video of this year. Actually, no, there's gonna be one more video this coming Friday, and that video will be an announcement of my Black Friday sale in my pattern shops. I plan to run a 50% off sale, so if you were thinking of purchasing a pattern from me, please don't do it now, wait till Friday and you can have it half the price. So that would be the last video of the year, but like I said, it will be a quick announcement. Even though November and December are very important months for many YouTubers, because during the holiday season, advertisers are paying the highest on the ads that run on our channels and on our videos. And during this time, many YouTubers work the hardest. I personally decided to take a break until the end of this year. Of course, money is very important. We all have to pay bills and make a living. But time spent with our families and our loved ones is absolutely priceless. And this holiday season, I want to spend as much time as I can with my children, because they're not gonna be children forever. They are growing up. And I want to spend as much time as I can with my parents, because unfortunately with each passing year they are getting older. I want to spend time with extended family and my friends, because like I said, time spent with the loved ones is absolutely priceless. And I want to wish all of you a happy and peaceful holiday season with your families and your loved ones. Cherish them and cherish every minute you spend with them. God bless you all. Be safe and we'll crochet together in the year 2022.